How to see Steam password while logged in. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Steam password while logged in. It's important to note that Steam, like most secure platforms, doesn't allow users to view their password while logged in for security reasons. If you need to access your password, you can simply reset or change it. Steam provides a password reset feature where they can send verification code to your registered email address. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open any web browser of your device and at the address bar type the official website of Steam, store.steampowered.com. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here in order to reach to the official website. Now once you have typed this keyword, press the enter button to search it. You will be taken to the official website of Steam. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, at the top you will find your username. Click on your username and you will find some options. Here click on this account details option. Once you click on it, you will be taken to your account section. Here scroll down and under account security you will find change my password option. Simply click on this option. You will be taken to a new page. Here select this first option if you have the access to your email address associated with this account. After clicking on it, a verification code will be sent to your email address. Go and check your email address whether you have received the verification code from Steam or not. Once you have received this verification, copy it and enter it in the previous page. Once you have done that, click on this continue button. And after successful verification, now you will reach to this page. From here now you can change your password. Add your new password in this box and again add the same password in the second box. Once you have entered the similar passwords here, click on this change password option at the bottom to change it. Wait for a while and then you can see you have successfully changed your password. Now you can simply click on the sign into Steam option right here and log in with your new password in your account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.